I'm gonna show you how to make a tasty and aromatic roasted chicken breast in Tomatillo orange mint sauce. I proudly made it for the American Heart Association's Healthy for Good movement, which encourages us to adopt a healthier lifestyle by eating smart, moving more, being well, and my favorite, adding color. Preheat oven to 375 degrees. Season the chicken with a pinch of salt and pepper. Remove the husk of the tomatillos and rinse well. In a blender, add tomatillos, onion, fresh garlic, serrano chile, orange juice, cilantro, mint, and a pinch of salt. Mix for a few seconds and cover the chicken with the sauce. Then roast for 40-45 minutes or until temperature reaches 165 degrees. Serve with a salad or vegetable puree. And enjoy this healthy, tasty, and aromatic dish. Adopting simple changes today can create a difference for you, for your family, and next generations. Visit heart.org/healthyforgood for more recipes and tips.